Have you ever felt like two voices are fighting inside your mind? One telling you to do what's right, and the other whispering, "No one will know." This is not just your imagination. It's the same battle every human fights, every single day. And today, you'll hear a story that might just change the way you think forever. Long ago, in a quiet Native American village, an old Cherokee elder sat with his grandson by the fire. The night was peaceful, and the sound of the burning wood filled the air. The old man said softly, "My son, there is a fight going on inside me. It is a terrible fight between two wolves." The boy looked surprised. "Two wolves, Grandpa? What kind of wolves?" The old man smiled and said, "One wolf is evil. It is anger, jealousy, greed, arrogance, and fear. The other is good. It is peace, love, kindness, truth, and hope." He paused for a moment, looking deep into the flames. "This same fight," he continued, "is going on inside you, and inside every person too." The little boy thought for a while, his eyes shining in the firelight. He asked quietly, "But Grandpa, which wolf will win?" The old man looked at him, smiled gently, and said, "The one you feed." The boy didn't fully understand. How can someone feed a wolf that lives inside the mind? So, the old man decided to show him. The next morning, they went walking through the forest. Birds were singing, and the sound of a small river could be heard nearby. "Look," said the grandfather, pointing to the sunlight falling through the trees. "When you see beauty in the world, when you say kind words, when you forgive, you feed the good wolf." Then he picked up a dry leaf. "But when you lie, or judge others, or stay angry, you feed the bad wolf." The boy nodded slowly, finally starting to understand. "But Grandpa, what if the bad wolf is stronger?" The old man smiled. "Then you must feed the good wolf even more." That night, the boy couldn't sleep. He felt the battle inside him. The wolf of anger when his friend took his toy. The wolf of kindness when he helped his mother. He whispered to himself, "I can feel them both inside me." Days passed. Whenever he got angry, he remembered the story. He started to pause, breathe, and make a choice. What will I feed today? Slowly, the good wolf became stronger. He started helping his friends, listening to others. And when he failed, he forgave himself too. The bad wolf never disappeared. But the boy learned how to keep it hungry. Many years later, that boy became a wise man himself. He told the same story to his own children and grandchildren. He said, "Inside you, there are always two wolves. You cannot kill one, but you can choose which one to feed." He looked at them with calm eyes and added, "When you wake up every morning, you are holding food in your hands. Your thoughts are that food. Feed wisely." Friends, so what did we learn from this story? Feed the good wolf, do positive things. When you forgive, you feed the good wolf. Stay angry, remain upset. Don't stay angry too long. Pause and breathe, take a short break before reacting, before shouting. Pause and breathe. Forgive yourself, stop blaming yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. Forgive yourself. Inside every human, two wolves are always fighting. The good one and the bad one. The winner is the one you choose to feed every day. If you love this story and learned something new today, subscribe to the Tales Word, where every story teaches life and English too. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Which wolf are you feeding today?